Hey everyone, today I'm going to share 3 compelling reasons why Webflow might be the perfect solution for your business website needs. Let's jump right into it. Reason number 1, design flexibility without coding. Now, Webflow offers a visual canvas where you can design anything you imagine without writing a single line of code. And this means you can create a unique, custom website that stands out from the competition, all while saving on development costs. Reason 2, built-in SEO and performance. Webflow sites are optimized for performance right out of the box. With clean, semantic code and built-in SEO tools, your site will load quickly and rank better in search engines, driving more organic traffic to your business. And reason number 3, easy content management. With Webflow's CMS, you can easily manage and update your site's content without needing technical skills. Whether it's blog posts, product listings, or team profiles, you have full control. And let me leave you with this bonus reason: hosting and security. Webflow provides secure, reliable hosting with automatic backups and SSL encryption, so you don't have to worry about the technical backend. And in conclusion, Webflow offers a powerful platform that combines design freedom, performance, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for your business. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.